Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. Big breaking news coming from Cisco company. Cisco Apprenticeship Hiring 2026 exam mail out. Candidate received this mail from Cisco Technical Graduate Apprenticeship application form for software engineer trainee role. So it's a big update, and also we have two new hiring for Cisco Apprenticeship program. We'll discuss later on in this video. So coming to this mail, candidate received today. So you have to fill this form by tomorrow 8 January 12 p.m. Right. So if you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. In that form, you have to fill all your basic details only. Yeah. Also, you can join our Cisco Telegram group. Okay, so link in the video description box. You will join that our main group round robin, and there you will get the link for our Cisco apprenticeship program uh, group where we'll discuss all the things, and you will get touch with our Cisco employee, Cisco community that helps you in the upcoming drive or in upcoming the assessment process, interview process. Okay, so in this video, so just fill the this application form. Hopefully next week. Or this week only you will get the assessment link. Okay, so you have to take the exam on HackerRank platform. There you have 50 around MCQ questions and coding questions that you have to clear, then you will get the interview call. Right, so we'll give you all the detailed exam pattern uh, in our next video. Please do comment if you need that for detailed exam pattern, detailed topic wise questions, previous exam questions. Okay, what you have to prepare for this assessment, coding question and all. And also if you want some previous year questions, previous exam questions, then you can join our telegram group. There you will get some resource. And please do comment if you want that video, then I will make the video. Yeah, so and do prepare well, because definitely next week your assessment will happen, because they will send you the mail for assessment, because they will give you the joining next month only, February. In this form they clearly mention like uh, uh, you are ready to join our Cisco apprenticeship program from February 2026 to 2027 February. Right. Yeah. So make sure be ready, be prepared for the exam. There will be the questions from pseudocode, aptitude, verbal, your electronics branch, and MS Office, cloud, and all. So we'll give you all the complete questions, previous exam questions, topic details. So yeah, please do comment once, and also subscribe our channel, like the video, and also please do check channel recent videos. In last video we had discussed 9 urgent hiring. In that they are really some good hiring, and the companies apply link are still active. Please do apply for IBM 2024 and 2025 batch student are eligible, and this is a new hiring, new apply link, right? Cisco Infosys hiring is going on. So if you have any doubt, please do check our this video, Cisco and Infosys. Okay, sorry, Accenture and Infosys. And also check the channel recent videos. Most of the companies applying is still active. Right, need your support guys, so please subscribe the channel, like the video, and please do join our Telegram and WhatsApp channel. So I hope this got clear to you. So you have to just fill the application form. Soon you will get the assessment link. Hopefully next week your assessment will happen, and there is 50 something, 54 or 55 question, MCQ question and coding questions. And then you have, once you clear this, there in assessment the cutoff is around 50 to 60%, and then they will take your interview. So all this Cisco apprenticeship hiring related video you will get on our channel. Just search here Cisco apprenticeship, you will get all list video, and there you can check all the things: previous exam question, exam pattern, interview questions, how selection goes, Cisco apprenticeship is worth it or not, how to join, it's worth to join, employees feedback, actual interview questions, actual assessment question, all you will get. Just search our Cisco apprenticeship video and do join our telegram. Right, and if you have any doubt, then please let me know. The next update, we have two hiring coming in Cisco, and this is a breaking news, because definitely they are going to hiring in good number, and this is a easy selection process. So this is a associate sales engineer trainee role, technical graduate apprenticeship. Bangalore is the job location. They are also recruiting for Hyderabad location, so that's a very good. So this is the 12-month program. I think you know. If you don't know, then please watch our Cisco apprenticeship benefit video. In that video we had discussed everything. 2025 batch student are eligible. Make sure you are pass out and you have with your PDC, provisional degree. So you have to apply here on net spot portal also. So here also in this application form they are asking for net ID. Okay, Yeah, so this is a very good update. Please do apply now only. Please do apply and fill all the uh, details in the form. If you have any doubt, you can ping me. So BBTech student are eligible here. Okay, yeah, so it's not a problem, but the role is associate sales engineer trainee. So yeah, so if you want to only software kind of role, then you can skip. Maybe in upcoming days they will again open the link for software engineer training role, because right now for software engineer training role the link is not active. Last month only they open the link, and the candidate who applied for, they getting mail today for this application form. Right, so you can apply. The other hiring is for finance analyst training role. It's a non-tech graduate apprenticeship, and this is for a non-tech kind of job role. So here all become students are eligible. BBA and become students are eligible for in the domain of accounts and finance. So if you done become AMCOM, you are eligible. I'm not sure about AMCOM. Yeah, so only bachelor degree, so become are eligible. And if you done BBA in finance, then you are eligible, I guess. Yeah, so 2025 batch student are eligible, so please do apply now only. It's a very good update, very good update, I am saying you. It's a good update, and you will get good stipend. And here also you will get very good stipend. Okay, yeah, so please do apply. Nets portal, I will put this link. Okay, the Nets portal registration, what you have to do, you have to come down, click student section, you have to click on general student, you have to click on student registration. Okay, if you have already Nets ID, then no need to apply again. So if please make sure you have all this document: Aadhaar, email ID, mobile number, passport size photograph. Okay, bank details, degree PDC. If you don't have the degree PDC, you can apply your final year mark sheet. If you don't have the degree PDC, you can apply your final year mark sheet, that also work, and the bank passbook and all. Okay, so this is a good update, guys. You can proceed. If you have any doubt, you can ping me on our Telegram, Instagram, and do comment. Will help you. I hope, guys, this video helps you, and soon you will get with the next video for this detailed exam pattern and previous exam questions. So please do comment if you need. We'll make the video and upload soon. Thank you, guys. Thank you. All the best.